Oh, hey y'all, it's Andy. Y'all, I done went and did a thing. Done went and did it again, y'all. Let me show you. Ooh wee. Looky there, y'all. I done went and got a good load of wood. And this ain't just any wood. This is actually, a lot of it's about 16 foot long. Yes, I loaded it on my 8-foot trailer. But this is a lot of sawmill scraps and actually some pretty decent sized sawmill scraps, if you can see that right there. And that's one of the longer ones too. And even a whole lot of rough sawn, freshly cut poplar 2x4s. There's probably at least a good 20-25 of those here on the bottom. And they're about 14 or so foot long. And yes, a lot of this, some of it's pretty thin, like this, but that's kindling right there. And I got, again, all the round scrap cutoffs. And even some bigger ones. And there's even a couple of live edges in here off of some red oak and poplars. I'm enjoying that, y'all. So anyways, just to show y'all a little bit of what this stuff looks like. Look at this stuff right here, y'all. Look at that. That is a good, at least 7-8 inches wide. And let's see if I can, that's a good inch thick right there. A lot of stuff like this. Here's one of the live edges. This one's a little bit older, but it is still a live edge. And y'all can see how thick that is right there. That's a good 3 inches thick. And at least a good 10 inches wide. And it goes all the way up, y'all. That's a good 15-16 foot at least. But yep, I've got anything from kindling to little stake wood to almost laminate. Here's some of them poplar 2x4s right here, sticking out. And everything in between, y'all. Ooh, wait, I am loving this. But anyways, y'all, figured I would show y'all what I just brought home. Buddy of ours, about 20 or so minutes down the road, actually has a sawmill. And he let me know the other day, he said, well, I'm just going to be burning this kind of stuff. If you want to come pick it up, you're welcome to it. I said I'll be there tomorrow. So anyways, yep, I am liking my little trailer load of wood, y'all. And he said he would even hook me up with more scraps and stuff when he gets them. He'll, just throw them all in a pile and holler at me when it gets built up. So I'll be getting even more of this, y'all, which is a very good thing. So, anyways, sorry about that sound, y'all. I can't really help it. But anyways, I've got to unload my little trailer right there now. So, like I said, just figured I'd show y'all that right quick. And y'all, there's going to be a lot of stuff getting done with that. So anyways, that's going to about do it for this here video. So, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all on the next video.